Attention adjusters, don't let the roofer talk you into anything. You know your job and stick to it. Turn off your feelings and let the damage speak for itself, and that is it, my friend. Pay attention. Insurance carriers don't like their adjusters being videotaped, as the roofer doesn't like it either. Listen, if the soft metals to the roof are damaged, aluminum and galvanized exhaust vents, turtle vents, chimney caps, and power vent hoods. Who's to say when that soft metal was replaced? You can't really gauge the age to these types of materials. Roofers, soft metals are irrelevant and will only make a difference as supporting evidence when the adjuster is faced with a tough call and has to add soft metal damage when explaining to upper management in the log entry. Don't get distracted from what your objective is, and that's your job, inspecting for ADPL, which stand for actual direct physical loss to covered property. Then paying the claim, nothing more and nothing less. Remember, if the roofer tells you the shingles are not pliable, trying to coerce you into lifting a shingle, don't fall for it. He knows that if you attempt and damage the tab, it only feeds the roofer's objective. Remember, you're not up there to give lessons. Roofers need to work for the homeowner and not the sale. If there's not enough damage for a full replacement, then repair it and move on. Learn the same process insurance carriers teach their adjusters to follow to correctly identify hail. Building confidence within yourself is crucial when explaining the settlement to homeowners. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook group for time-saving inspection tips. Links are in the description and Q code, and I'll see you on the inside.